Hey everybody, welcome to Band Advice TV. Earlier this week I came across a Facebook Live video that I had done a couple years ago. It was kind of the unboxing of my new to me, Peavey Classic 30 amplifier. It's a sweet little amp. I figured you guys might like to see my little review on it as well as get a peek behind the beard. I'm your host Mark V. This is Tips, Tricks, Giggles, and Stuff. Hey everybody. Excited. This is it. This is a Peavey Classic 30. It's one of the old school ones. Tweed. Gotta love the tweed, right? It's my first foray into using tube amps. It's really awesome. It's got 6 tubes in it. I don't know much about them. I do know that in Europe they call them valves. But it's supposed to have a warmer sound, more bluesier sound. So first of all, I want to give my kudos to Guitar Center, man. I bought this through them. They mailed it up here from Louisiana, and I tell you what, they took all the tubes out, wrapped them individually, labeled them, and gave me this nice diagram. The guy's got pretty good penmanship, too. Packed it up, so that way you knew everything was good and safe. Plus, apparently, in the process of doing that, he busted 2 of them because they sent me a package of 2 brand new ones, so pretty excited about it. So, I guess before I get started, one of the reasons I'm doing this is, of course, to try out the new amp. Also try out the new studio. I'm going to be doing some lighting techniques and some videos coming up. I'm going to start a channel for my band advice, so keep an eye out for that. I don't know how much stuff I'll be doing Facebook Live just because I tend to stutter and tell stupid jokes and things like that, but we'll give it a shot. Anyway, start off, I'm playing my Mexican-made Telecaster that I got a couple months ago. My lovely wife bought it for me. I did mod it though. Threw an orange drop into the capacitor, orange drop capacitor on the tone knob, the 0.047 microfarads. Gives it a little warmer tone. It's actually a capacitor that's designed for basses. Saw a fellow YouTuber, Phil McKnight. He talked about it, and it's like, oh, what the heck? I got a soldering gun. What harm could come of it, right? All right, let's give this a shot. Now I do have kind of a long cord here, so I know that's going to mess with the capacitance a little bit, but you know, it's all just trying it out. So, turn it on. I got a light. Okay. Tubes take a little while to warm up, don't they? That is an interesting thing. I've read a couple podcasts and stuff on that too, and just how those things work. It's crazy, the mechanics behind valves or tubes. Alright, so what I'm going to go ahead and do, dial this in. I'm going to go clean, take the reverb out, and I'm just going to kind of set all the EQ to noon o'clock and kind of play around with it. Already I'm liking it. Oh, and if you're wondering about the strings, I'm using Ernie Ball's Cobalts, but it's the hybrid, so it's the 9s through the 46s. I like that heavier low end and nice ease on the upper end, especially since I'm dealing with a little bit of mobility issues with this finger, so I'm going to be kind of 3-fingering it a lot today. Just have to bear with that. That's the excuse we're going with today. Alright, so not bad. This is the neck position. This is with my tone control down maybe about 80%. This is when it's full. That's hot. Alright, so I'm going to ease back my mids quite a bit. I'm not much of a mid fan. And I'm going to bump up the lows. So pull the treble back to about, looks like about 5. The bass is up to, by the way, these things go up to 12. So I'm sitting at about 8.5 on bass and about 3.5, 4 on mid. So this is middle position, so it's both pickups. That's not bad. forgot that I had my tone all the way up. No wonder it's really chiming there. Alright, let's try that with a little bit of reverb. Typical spring reverb that you find in most of these units. This thing does have a send and return, so give me a chance to really mess up the tone with throwing in all my pedals and stuff in different, before the amp and before the drive kind of thing. You really hear that low when that reverb's going. Alright, now let's get crazy. It's starting to overdrive. What's neat about this is it's got a preamp switch, which basically hits up your gain to your mains there, and to your power amp cycle. Not cycle, power amp part. And you got a separate volume knob for overdrive channel. Oops. Okay, right there, the preamp is set at about, say, 6. Yeah, right about 6. That's about 5. Let's go ahead and crank it. Listen to that hum. Pull it back a little bit because I don't want to overload the mic on the iPhone there. You got to kind of go with the bluesier sound. That's my new amp. Thanks for watching. Talk to y'all later. Alright, there you have it. A little vintage video of Mark V doing a little product review of the Peavey Classic 30 amplifier. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Till next time, this is Tips, Tricks, Giggles, and Stuff.